Hi guys, you are welcome. In today's lesson, let's see how we can solve this problem before us under circle geometry. Okay, so the question says, given a circle, please don't mind my drawing, given a circle with center O and line PQ is parallel to what? Line RS. Okay, angle ONS is given as 140 degrees, and our target is to find POM, okay, which is this point. So for us to get to this point, first, let us know what is this angle, okay? So let's label this to be what? Angle Y. Remember that for us to get this, these are what? Angles formed on a straight line. So you are not wrong if you say solution Y plus 140 degrees equal to what? 180 degrees. You must always give your reason. The reason is that they are what? Sum of angles on a straight line. Okay. So from here you have it that Y equal to 180 degrees minus 140 degrees. Y is equal to what? 40 degrees. Okay. So you replace your Y with what? 40 degrees. All right. Remember that when you have a line drawn from the center of a circle to the circumference, that line is called the radius of that what? Circle. Okay. Here now we have two radii. Here is a radius, here is a radius. Therefore, this line is equal to what? This line. Okay. From the triangle formed by the two radii, this should remind you of what? A special triangle called what? An isosceles triangle. Okay. And one thing special about an isosceles triangle is that the base angles are what? Equal. So you are not wrong if you say angle OMN equal to what? 40 degrees. What is your reason? They are what? Base angles of an isosceles triangle. Okay. So you are free to label this, to call this 40 degrees because they are base angles. Okay. So further, remember that when you have two lines, two parallel lines drawn, okay, and a line cut across the two parallel lines, this very line is called a transversal line. And remember that angle formed here is equal to what? Angle formed at this point, because they are alternating. Okay, if here is A, here should also be A. Okay, so from here now, you can decide if you want to extend this as your transversal line, okay, so that it will be more clearer. So remember that if here is 40, here should also be what? 40 degrees. Okay, because they are what? Alternate angles. So angle POM, which is the required angle, is equal to what? 40 degrees. What is your reason? Because they are what? Alternate angles. Okay, this is the solution to this very problem. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.